Are you looking for a vlogging camera? In this video, I will show you the best vlogging cameras based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on price and quality. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for a budget vlogging camera or the best one, I'll have the best product for you. And as always, if you want more information and updated pricing on the products in this video, be sure to check out all links in the description down below. On number 5, we've got the Sony ZV-1. Some might dismiss the ZV-1 as yet another Sony RX100 variant, but it's much more than that. The sensor and lens might be familiar, but the body, the controls, the audio, and the rear screen are all new and different and optimized brilliantly for vlogging. There are a couple of downsides. The huge chance in minimum focus distance when you zoom in is annoying, and the steady shot active stabilization didn't work too well for us, but the autofocus is exceptional and the ZV-1 is a joy to use. Not least because here at last is a vlogging camera that really is designed specifically for vlogging, right down to that fully vari-angle, rear screen and the supplied mic windshield, which really does work brilliantly. On number 4, we've got the Canon EOS M6. Canon's lightweight mirrorless EOS M series may not have the heft of the full-frame Canon EOS R cameras, but that's what makes it just a thing for vloggers who don't want to lug around too much gear. The M6 Mark II is an excellent choice for the prospective vlogger as it can shoot impressive uncropped 4K video while making use of the impressive dual-pixel autofocus. It's lightly built and easy to carry, making use of the similarly spec'd EF-M lenses. While this range doesn't have anywhere near the catalog of Canon's EF lenses, there should still be easily enough for the vlogger's purposes. And with plenty of user features like the microphone socket, an articulating touchscreen and video stabilization to keep things smooth, the EOS M6 Mark II is an extremely solid all-rounder for any vlogger out there. On number 3, we've got the Fujifilm XT200. The Fujifilm XT200 is great for vlogging, partly because it can capture 4K 30p video, partly because it has a whopping 3.5-inch flip-out vari-angle screen, and partly because its super slick exterior manages to look clean and simple and unintimidating while offering serious amounts of photographic control. The XT200's 24.2 MP APS-C CMOS sensor delivers a super sharp image. If you don't mind a vlog camera without the electronic viewfinder, the Fujifilm X-A7 is smaller and cheaper, but we'd go for the XT200 every single time. On number 2, we've got the Panasonic Lumix G100. Vloggers and creatives more broadly will enjoy the simplicity of the Lumix G100. It makes it easy to capture high quality video and stills with its approachable button layout. Even people uninterested in the technologies of capturing great looking videos will be able to get results with this camera. There's an inherent risk of dumbing things down too much. When creating a camera for social media creatives, but Panasonic has avoided that pitfall with the Lumix G100. By giving it a decent viewfinder and proper camera ergonomics, Panasonic has given the G100 an edge in a highly competitive market. This is a great camera to start with if you're more interested in vlogging than regular photography, or both. On number 1, we've got the Sony A6400. Not so long ago, any camera with a 180-degree front-facing screen was instantly dismissed as a selfie camera, but the rise of blogging, vlogging, and Instagram has brought video to the fore, and the A6400's front-facing screen sets it apart from many of its rivals and makes it a powerful and desirable tool for single-handed video shooters who want to talk directly to the camera. The A6400 also is a great camera for stills. We're not so keen on the design, which is largely unchanged since the original A6000 model, but it's not a deal breaker given that the Sony is so good at video. It's not just the 4K that makes this camera stand out as a vlogging tool, but it's the state-of-the-art autofocus system, and especially its IAF performance. It's sold body only, but if you intend buying it with a kit lens, we'd recommend paying the extra for the Sony 18 to 135mm lens, which has much longer reach and better optical quality than the standard 16 up to 50mm lens. Since the Sony A64 came out, we've had the cheaper A6100 and the more advanced 6000, but we think the A6400 still hits the vlogging sweet spot between convenience, cost, and quality. Alright, and that's it for the best budget vlogging cameras. As always, I'll leave links to all of these products in the description down below, so make sure you go check that out, and then I'll see you in the next video.